Adding filters to a range of data in Google Sheets is extremely easy, and I have my trusty Pokémon stats to demonstrate how it works. Simply select the range you want to sort and click the filter icon in the top right corner. This allows you to sort data in ascending A to Z or descending Z to A order. In a good 90% of cases, this will get the job done. However, maybe you want to filter out data based on a specific condition. Let's say we're only interested in really strong Pokémon, so we want to filter out all Pokémon that have less than 525 in total stat points. To do so, simply click the filter icon on the top cell of the column of interest, then filter by condition and greater than or equal to, and fill in 525. Now, only Pokémon with total stat points that are 525 or greater will show up. If you want to learn how to filter data using functions, check out this video.